Hindi totoo. We will abide. I will abide by all rules. Whatever. Kasi ayaw kong babalikan ako. Mabalikan mo ako, ibang bagay. Sa totoo lang. Mabalikan mo ako. If you, may mga taga-Davao tanong, may risk back yan, pero never sa pera. You know why? You know why? What? Yung ombudsman, wala pa yan. There was a time, the office was created, known as the Tanod Bayan. If you remember, ako yung isa sa dalawa sa Mindanao na Tanod Bayan Special Prosecutor. At the same time, ako yung isang fiscal doon. So I had a dual task at the time. So I have prosecuted so many cases. Kaya magaling ako dyan sa dokumento yung how it is done, yung presentation ng documents. Kaya isip ko, kung ako ang kahirap na mabuhay na ito, once upon a time, we were there prosecuting people for graft and corruption, tapos ikaw na, that would be an irony in life that I must avoid even at the cost of my life. Pero itong sabi ko, hindi lang kasi nakinig silang iba. I made a solemn promise also na I want my city then. You know, yung iba katingin nila kasi sa akin, isang mayor lang na palagoy-lagoy kasi Davao. But in theory actually, and which is really my paradigm, I am there to serve. So when I became mayor, I said, nandyan pa, Dulay was working for Alsons, Bebot sila rin, Alcantara and Sons, Davao. Sunny owns the Marco Polo. May discount kayo lahat doon. Sabihin mo lang BIR ka.